Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Today we're going to be fitting this hard lid to this Hilux ute. So far we've set it up with the hinges in place and we're getting under there and we've marked the hinges so that we can pull the hard lid off, drill and put our nutserts in there, and then we'll be able to fit our gas struts, pull the lid off, give it a paint, trim up and get it sitting right and fitted, and then happy days off to the customer. Alright, so here we are, we've got the lid painted and we've got the locks installed. The customer's on his way here and we're going to fit it to the car, which will only take us 5 minutes because it's already been all pre-fitted, and we'll give you a look at that in a minute. We've put this little beading around here just to neaten off the edge. Yeah, it's come up quite well. The painting's not a professional job because we're not professional painters, but the customer was expecting that. He's going to be happy. We'll give you a look underneath in a minute.